we changed our mind. We don't need no more help because the cat died. So we put some water on it before it died. No, after it died. Before or after?
Before.
Yeah, before it died. It died first, and then we put the water to check, but it was not moving. So poor cat. I'm gonna really miss him. Handshake.
Poor kitty.
How's it dying?
Because you put water in it. I told you not to.
No, it was not moving, and then we put a little bit water on it. It's like
Yeah, he already dried off.
No, I meant a while ago. David put cold water on him.
A little, and then he was still breathing.
No, he kept beating fast as fuck. I saw him move like fucking quick as fuck. Wow, that's sad.
And that's why I'm gonna put him.
No, I think because they're eating it already. Don't you think?
to the poo.
Yeah, maybe that's.
Hey, dude, put it.
Maybe he had choro. That's why. That's why he died. No, I'm not kidding. He had choro.
I know. Poor kitty.
Man, guess it's good to take
It's because we were going to do it earlier, but it was too late. He barely came. My uncle barely came, and now I told him. Just keep him right there at the corner. We're always going to miss him. Always.
You should have just put him over there in the corner.
Right here.
What's that?
Every single day we're always going to see him. But he's dead, which is so sad. We're always going to see him. Cat died. So sad. Oh shit! He died like that?
I think so. Every day, let's check on him. Let's check on him. If he's like his whole body's dead. Let's see until he shows his bones. I always wanted to see his bones.
But that would be so sad. So sad. Okay, that's the end of the cat's life.
Hey, look at my top. The tomatoes already in them. No, I think it's premature.
Yeah, that's why all the freaking flies